we have yet another OnePlus phone with us, and this time around this is the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. For the third year in a row, the CE Lite series is getting the same Snapdragon processor, the Snapdragon 695. So what does this price tag of rupees 19,999 has to offer? Let's find out. Right off the bat in the box, we have the TPU case, the paperwork, and the SIM card tool. We have the phone, we have the 80-watt travel adapter, and we have the signature red-colored USB cable. We have a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 2100 nits. The processor inside is of course the Snapdragon 695 SoC, and the phone runs on a 5500 mAh lithium-ion battery that supports 80-watt charging. On the back, we have a 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup that supports video autofocus and optical image stabilization. The primary camera in this setup houses a Sony Lite 600 sensor. On the back, this phone has a shiny metallic finish, which is very different from the CE4, which had a very marble-ish finish, although both have plastic bodies. We have the power button, the volume rockers, the SIM tray on the sides. Oh, and don't forget the 3.5mm port for audio, which I think is pretty cool. Anyways, this was the first impression video of the Nord CE4 Lite. The full review will be coming up soon. For more such content, keep following BWTV. My name is Deep. I'll be signing off.